Hi, would you like to learn how to make some event planning? If you are interested, then I've got you. I'm Temiyakubu, a master event planner with experience of over 10 good years working for brands like HP, Ulysses, Logitech, and a number of other notable brands. Now, if you are still interested, then sit right here. In 2017, I took a number of HP partners, 50 to be precise, flew them from Nigeria to South Africa. Yes, and managed even more numbers from other parts of the world for 3 days. And I've done quite a number of other notable events in Nigeria, some of them even being managed abroad, sitting right here on my desk. So when I say I know about event planning, I know about event planning. Now, what is event planning? Event planning has to do with planning an activity. It can be a wedding, it can be a party, it can be a concert, it can be a training, it can be a seminar, it can be a conference, you name it, but it involves the formal invitation of at least 2 persons. Now, this is very, very key because, like Jessica Savage said, behind every 2 minutes of glamour, there are 8 hours of hard work. So 2 minutes of glamour, 8 hours of hard work. You calculate that. So it's very, very key if you want your event to come out well, that you plan it very, very well. Now, I have an acronym for this, and it is events. And if you want to know more about events and how you can make big bucks, please like and subscribe. I would like to be your friend so that whenever I'm talking about events, event planning, you can get notifications to that effect. Now, the first one is entry. E for entry. Then the second is venue, V for venue. The second E is evaluation. The N is novelty, and the T is time. Now, why is this important? Entry, venue, evaluation, novelty, and time. Today, I will talk about the first 2. Now, when you talk about entry, it's talking about the expansion of concepts. You have an idea of that event. How is the event going to look like? Is it going to be online? Is it going to be offline? How is it going to look? Are you inviting 100 people? Are you inviting just 2 people? You have to think about your concept and expand it to make it better. And this is very, very key because if you do not plan, you do not have that vision board up, there's no way that event can be the classic and special event that you want it to be. Next, you have to think about the venue first. That is very, very easy, but it's not as easy as it seems. If it's online, where is it holding? Is it holding on Zoom? Is it going to be holding on social media? Is it going to be holding on Facebook? And if it is offline, where is it going to be? Is it going to be in a hotel? Is it going to be in at home? Where is it going to be? Your venue and your concept are very, very key. And in my next video, I'll be talking about the next 2, which is evaluation and novelty. For now, it's bye. But like I said, if you want to know more about event planning, maybe you're somebody that likes, arranging things, putting things in place, opening things in order, you feel that you can be a great event planner. We have the TAKC Brand School where you can get a certificate. We teach you how to be a great event planner and manage events. It can be weddings, but it's also especially corporate events. And you will see more about that in the description below. And also, you will also get more lessons, of course, in my next video and other videos to come. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Like I said, I want to be your friend. It's bye for now.